about construction trucks and build this amazing construction playset. Let's see what's inside. Whoa! There are so many parts. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Looks like we have an elevator. And we also seem to have a crane. Let's start putting it together. Now that we have our base, let's attach the elevator and let's attach the crane. Ooh, that's a big crane. Yay! Good job! Now, let's attach these ramps that our construction vehicles will drive on. One goes right here. And we have some more. We have this cute little bridge that comes down. Oh, and back up. Let's attach it. Yay! We're done building our construction site. It looks so cool. Now, let's meet the construction trucks that came with a set.
Hi friends, my name is Dump Truck. I transport materials from one location to another. My hopper is loaded like this. Well, that's all about me. Bulldozer, it's you now.
Hey everyone, I'm Bulldozer. I have a front blade that I use to push different construction materials. Watch. Well, that's me. Loader, your turn.
I'm Loader Truck. I have a bucket in the front which can lift materials.
Hey everyone, my name is Double Drum Road Roller. I have 2 drums. I can smooth all kinds of surfaces. Watch!
got so many cool construction trucks. How about we start playing with our playset? Because I can't wait anymore. Let's do it.
Lower the lift, please.
No problem, I'm on it.
Thank you. Get the load ready. Ooh, this is heavy. Ouch! Hey, Didi, could you lower the drawbridge for me?
Sure thing.
Awesome! Woohoo! That was so much fun! I'll go deliver this load. See you later! Hey, Michelle, I'm ready for my rocks. No problem. I'll throw them down.
Oh no! The dump truck had an accident!
Everybody, stay back. Ambulance to the rescue! Dump truck, are you okay?
Oh yes, thank you both for coming to save me. I feel quite alright. I just can't seem to get myself up. Could you help me?
I don't think my ladder will fit under you.
Yeah, and my stretcher is not wide enough.
Don't worry, everyone. We can rescue her using our crane. I'll bring it down. All right, we're good. Let me bring it back up.
Thank you so much, everyone. I'll go get a new load.
Could someone please help me demolish this structure? Or I might lose my mind.
I can help you with that. We just need to change the claw, boink, 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 with the wrecking ball. Let's do that now. All right, lowering the wrecking ball.
Oh yeah. Now watch how I flatten it all out. Haha. Woohoo! Did you see how fast I was? I'm the best construction truck.
Wow, that was so much fun! Thank you so much for playing with my construction set today. I'm Speedie DiDi, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye!
Speedie!
That's me!